Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer interior lights not working issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Interior lights not working in the Ford Explorer are commonly described as dome lights, map lights, or door courtesy lights failing to turn on, working intermittently, or not responding to door opening or manual switches. Verified owner reports and service information show that interior lighting concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with causes varying based on body electrical system design, control modules, and vehicle condition. One verified and frequently reported cause involves blown fuses or power supply issues. Interior lighting circuits are protected by fuses, and a blown fuse or loss of power can disable multiple interior lights at once. This may occur after electrical work or due to short circuits. Another confirmed cause relates to door ajar switches or sensors. Interior lights are often controlled by signals from door latches or switches. If a door sensor fails or provides incorrect status, the system may not trigger the lights when doors are opened. Body control module related issues have also been documented. The body control module manages interior lighting behavior in many Explorer models. Faults, communication errors, or software-related issues within this module can prevent lights from operating correctly. Bulb or LED failure is another verified factor. Individual interior lights may stop working due to burned-out bulbs or failed LED assemblies, especially in higher mileage vehicles. This usually affects specific lights rather than the entire system. Wiring and grounding issues are also reported contributors. Damaged wiring, loose connectors, or poor ground connections can interrupt power to interior lighting circuits, leading to intermittent or complete lighting failure. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include battery voltage issues, aftermarket electrical modifications, or control settings affecting lighting behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking and replacing fuses, inspecting door switches and latches, testing bulbs or LED modules, scanning the body control module for faults, and repairing wiring or ground connections when needed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Explorer interior lighting issues are resolved through fuse replacement, sensor repair, or bulb replacement rather than major electrical system repair. However, experiences vary by model year and electrical configuration. In conclusion, Ford Explorer interior lights not working are typically linked to fuse issues, door sensor faults, body control module behavior, or wiring and bulb-related problems. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.